bell is rung and you can feel the excitement in the air. The WWE Universe has been eagerly awaiting this match.
Well, with the Universal Championship up for grabs, history will be written here tonight. So you know we're seeing these competitors at their very best.
Rhodes looking to end this for Crossroads.
Cody Rhodes just might have finished things.
Uh-oh. Way too
Oh, diving moonsault!
Cody Rhodes lining it up. Rhodes has his opponent hooked.
Nails the Crossroads.
Cody Rhodes nailed it.
Cover! 2 count. He kicks out somehow.
Unbelievable presence of mind.
I thought he was unconscious.
You gotta wonder what more Cody has to do to put him away here. Cody's being covered. This could be it. Shoulder up before the count.
Truly cannot believe that didn't even get a 1 count.
From both competitors, keeping at each other no matter what.
Rhodes hooking his opponent, and for the final cut.
Off the rope.
Into the roundhouse kick.
His arm showed up the mat before one. You've got something else in mind, I guess.
The American Nightmare with a
From the middle rope with the Cody cutter.
The American Nightmare's soul is on fire now.
Uh-oh.
Way too
Diving moonsault! Cody Rhodes is just having his way here.
And Rhodes might have more in store.
Now to the ring, to the confines of the chain link enclosure.
He's got one thing on his mind with that chair, and it has nothing to do with lounging. Cody Rhodes procures a sledgehammer, ready to smash another throne.
A sledgehammer, how do you recover from that?
Looking like John Henry swinging the hammer like that.
Planted with the bulldog. His body is dealing with a lot of stress here.
This is how it goes in Hell in a Cell. The match keeps going.
Up high. Bullseye.
He's just having his way now. No regrets, no second thoughts.
He looks incessant. Oh! Looks like he knew what was coming up. And a clothesline. Slips away just in time.
Bulldog plants him.
Nice job dodging contact there.
These two are finding an answer for everything. High-level ability being shown with each of these counters. Face first.
He's going for the pin. Fights the shoulder up in one.
No time to waste being shocked. You've got to...
The Kimura. The Kimura.
Kimura lock applied.
Good luck getting out of this. I guess that's one way to do it. He finds a counter for Rhodes.
Cinching in the arm wringer, but
able to fight out with a punch to the face.
Down with the Bulldog. And would you look at that? He's been busted wide open.
This is not good. Able to avoid damage with an invasive maneuver.
Choosing to go after the head here. Interesting strategy.
And I don't know how much longer this can continue.
Yeah, this is troubling. Can only hold on for so long now. Is Superstar looking to put this thing away?
Pedigree by Rhodes.
Target locked in. He knows it's that time.
Cody Rhodes hooks his opponent. There's one Crossroads, Byron.
Cody's not done yet. Make it a second. Are we going to get the trifecta, Michael, with the third Crossroads?
That's a game ender, gentlemen.
Got it. New champion.
Ladies and gentlemen, here is your WWE Universal and WWE Universal Champions, the American Nightmare, Cody Rhodes.
The former champ's pain must be doubled now.